The 15th one, integral tan cube 2x sec 2x dx. Integral tan cube 2x sec 2x dx. See here, how we can integrate this? Tan cube 2x sec 2x dx. See, suppose if you are substituting tan 2x equal to u. What's the derivative of tan 2x? Derivative of tan 2x, sec square 2x into 2. But no, there is no. See, if you substitute tan 2x equal to u, there should be sec square 2x. See, here only sec 2x. So, we cannot substitute tan 2x, u. Now, suppose you substitute sec 2x equal to u. What happened? What's the derivative of sec 2x? Sec 2x tan 2x into 2. Then also it is not, we cannot do that. Other than sec 2x, there should be one more sec 2x tan 2x. So, it is not here. So, we cannot use that method also at present. So, we have to change, we have to write as tan cube 2x. I am going to write tan square 2x into tan 2x into sec 2x dx. That is, we are writing tan cube as tan square into tan. Tan square 2x into tan 2x, that is tan cube 2x. So, only we are writing that tan cube 2x, tan square 2x into tan 2x. And now what to do? What we can write here? See, tan square 2x, we have to use the formula. What is tan square x? Tan square x equal to sec square x minus 1. So, what is tan square? This tan square 2x, we are going to substitute tan square 2x. What is tan square 2x? That is same as sec square 2x minus 1. So, we are going to use this formula here in the place of tan square 2x. So, here we get integral sec square 2x minus 1. So, instead of tan square 2x, we substituted sec square 2x minus 1. See, tan square 2x, sec square 2x minus 1. Remaining thing same. That is tan 2x sec 2x dx. So, we substituted tan square 2x, sec square 2x minus 1. Now, see, now what we can do here? See, here there is sec 2x tan 2x. So, derivative, what is derivative of sec x? Sec x tan x. So, what's the derivative of sec 2x? Sec 2x tan 2x into 2. That is here. So, here there is sec square 2x. For sec 2x, we can substitute u. So, substitute sec 2x equal to u. So, sec 2x is equal to u. Then, derivative of sec 2x. What's the derivative of sec 2x? Sec 2x tan 2x. Derivative of sec x tan x. So, derivative sec 2x tan 2x into derivative 2x, that is 2. So, into 2 dx equal to du. So, we want sec 2x tan 2x. So, what is sec 2x tan 2x? Therefore, sec 2x tan 2x dx is equal to what? Du by 2. See, this into 2, we are taking that side. So, we get du by 2. So, what is sec 2x tan 2x dx? That is du by 2. So, that we are going to substitute in the integral. So, in the place of sec 2x, we are going to write u, sec 2x u. So, here we get u square minus 1. Then, sec 2x tan 2x dx, we are going to substitute du by 2. That is what we are going to do. So, here. So, first we wrote tan square into tan. Then, for tan square 2x, we substitute sec square 2x minus 1. And then we substitute sec 2x equal to u, because there is sec 2x tan 2x dx is here. So, we can substitute sec 2x u. So, we get sec 2x tan 2x into 2 dx du. So, we got sec 2x tan 2x dx equal to du by 2. So, for this substitute du by 2. For here we substitute sec 2x equal to u. So, what we get here? This is equal to integral u square minus 1 into sec 2x tan 2x dx, that is du by 2. So, into du by 2. That is what we did. So, now we can find the integral. Now, see, we have substituted sec 2x equal to u. Now, we can find the integral. 1 by 2, take outside integral u square minus 1 du. Now, we know the integral. What is integral of u square? 1 by 2 into bracket, because both the terms 1 by 2 is there. So, integral of u square, what is integral of x square? X cube by 3. So, u raised to 3, 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus, what is integral of 1 with respect to u, du, therefore u, plus c. Now, only substitute u, that is answer. So, 1 by 2 into bracket, sec 2x, u sec 2x cube, what is that? Sec 2x whole cube That is sec cube 2x by 3 minus, what is u? Sec 2x. So minus sec 2x minus sec 2x bracket plus c. So that is the answer. Then next 16, integral tan raised to 4x dx. Integral tan raised to 4x dx. So how to find the integral of tan raised to 4x? Tan raised to 4x. See, we know tan square x. What is integral of tan square x? How to find the integral tan square x? You remember? Do you remember that? Integral of tan square x. How to do? Tan square x, we have to use the formula sec square x minus 1. Then we have to use, then we can integrate. So, but here, we cannot write whole square. So, then sec square x again whole square, that is difficult. So, what we do here, integral tan square x into tan square x dx. First we write tan raised to 4x tan square x into tan square x. And for 1 tan square x, we are going to substitute integral. For 1 tan square x, we are going to write sec square x minus 1. So only 1 tan square x, we substitute that, sec square x minus 1. Other tan square x right there itself, dx. So only for 1 tan square x, we substitute sec square x minus 1. Other one write as itself. Now open the bracket and write as 2 integrals. So that is equal to integral sec square x tan square x dx, 1 integral. Sec square x tan square x dx, 1 integral, minus integral 1 into tan square x, so that is minus integral tan square x dx. So write as 2 integrals. First term sec square x into tan square x, 1 integral, minus 1 into tan square x, that is minus integral tan square x dx. So write as 2 integrals. Now we use 2 different methods for 2 different integrals. For this integral, can you say how to integrate this term, this function? Sec square x tan square x dx. How to find the integral of this integral? How to integrate this? See, if you substitute tan x u, see tan x u derivative sec square x is there. So in this integral, we substitute tan x equal to u. And how to integrate tan square x, that we know. How to integrate tan square x, write as sec square x minus 1 and integrate. So 2 different methods we are using in these 2 integrals. So now we name, this is the question, and we name that equation 1 and we will separately find it. So this is integral tan raised to 4x dx. So this equation we name as equation 1. And we will find the integral separately and substitute here. So we get the answer. So we will find the integrals of both the terms and we will substitute in this equation. So we are going to find the integral of sec square x tan square x dx. First integral. So integral sec square x tan square x dx. Integral sec square x tan square x dx. First we are going to find that integral. How to integrate that? For that we have to use tan x equal to u. So tan x equal to u. So derivative of tan x sec square x dx equal to du. So tan x is equal to u. Therefore derivative tan x sec square x dx equal to du. So this sec square x dx we write du. And here there is tan square x. And in that tan x is u. So how we can write this integral? Tan square x u square. Tan square x u square. Sec square x dx du. So we get what? U square du. So tan x u, tan square x u square, sec square x dx du. So what is integral of u square? U cube by 3 plus c. So what is u cube? That is tan cube x. Tan x u cube. Tan cube x by 3 plus c. So now we feel this is the first integral. Now we are going to find the second integral. So this we have to substitute here. So last when we substitute this integral, we have to substitute tan cube x by 3 plus c. So in this place we substitute. Now itself I am going to write here. In the place of this integral I will write tan cube x by 3 plus c. C only we write both the integrals, not together we will write only one c. So now we find the second integral. Second integral is integral tan square x dx. Now we want to find the integral tan square x dx. That is our usual method. Tan square x write as sec square x minus 1, then write the integral. So integral tan square x equal to integral sec square x minus 1 dx. So write tan square x as sec square x minus 1. Substitute the formula, then integrate. Now find the integral. What is integral of sec square x? Tan x minus what is integral of 1x plus c. So remember, if there are two integrals, write c only one time. So now we are going to substitute this value. So after finding both the integrals, right, substituting in one, substituting in equation 1. So we have named that equation 1. So we got both the integrals. Now we are substituting in 1. We get the answer. So this integral is equal to, this integral we got the answer, this one, minus, here there is minus. Then we are writing this term, that is bracket, tan x minus x, tan x minus x, then plus c, 1c we write last. Now open the bracket here, tan cube x by 3 minus tan x plus c, that's the answer. So that's the answer. Now see next one, 17th. Integral sin cube x plus cos cube x whole divided by sin square x cos square x dx. So this is a question. Sin cube x plus cos cube x divided by sin square x cos square x dx. See, one method is there, we split and first split and see whether we can simplify and find the integral. So when we split, it is easy here. What we get here? Integral sin cube x divided by sin square x cos square x plus cos cube x divided by sin square x cos square x dx. Now simplify and see. Sin cube, sin square x we can cancel. What is remaining here? Integral sin x by cos square x dx plus first integral. Second integral cos square x we cancel. So cos x by sin square x remaining. Cos x by sin square x remaining. Now remember, this we have done in the first exercise. How to integrate sin x by cos square x? That is same as sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x. That is sec x tan x. Similarly, cos x by sin square x we have done there. That is cos x by sin x into 1 by sin x. What is cos x by sin x? Cot x. 1 by sin x cosec x. So that is same as cosec x cot x. So this is sec x tan x, this is cosec x cot x. So we know the integral. That is integral sec x tan x dx plus this is cosec cos x by sin x cot x 1 by sin x cosec x. So integral cosec x cot x dx. Now we know the integral, directly we can write the answer. So what is the answer? That is equal to, what is integral sec x tan x? Sec x. Then what is integral of cosec x cot x? Minus cosec x. So plus minus, what's the answer? Minus cosec x plus c, that's the answer. So here integral of sec x tan x. Remember these two functions, very important functions. Sin x by cos square x, cos x by sin square x. This is same as sec x tan x, sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x. This is cos x by sin x into 1 by sin x, cosec x cot x. So we know the integral, sec x minus cosec x plus c, that's the answer. Okay.